Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This corned beef hash is one of those childhood nostalgic dinners with simple foods all fried up together to provide a comforting, tasty dinner. So let's get cooking. I've got 750 grams, which is a little over £1.5 pounds of potatoes here that have been peeled and chopped into 1.5 centimetre cubes. We're going to place those potatoes in a pan with cold water and heat over a high heat. And then we're going to bring it to the boil and simmer for about 8 to 9 minutes until tender. Whilst the potatoes are cooking, heat a tablespoon of oil in a large frying pan over a medium heat. Add a peeled and diced onion and fry for about 2 minutes, stirring often until slightly softened. Once those potatoes are ready, we want to drain them off. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the frying pan with the onion. Once that butter's melted, add in those cooked potatoes and stir together. Then we're going to add in half a tablespoon of Worcester sauce and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Stir together and fry for 5 to 6 minutes until the potatoes are starting to brown. Now we add in a 340 gram or 12-ounce tin of corned beef that's been sliced into 1.5 centimetre cubes. Add that to the pan and stir occasionally, cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes until the corned beef browns slightly and starts to break down. And now we're ready to serve. I like to dish these up into bowls and serve with some baked beans and a little sprinkling of parsley. And there you go, a lovely bowl of comforting corned beef hash. I just know this is going to make my cold feel so much better. And if you like this kind of meal, then check out my Bubble and Squeak too. See you next time.